To activate your Shopify store and start selling, you first need to log into your admin dashboard. Once you are in, the main activation task is selecting a plan, because your store remains on a trial until you do. Look for the Select a Plan button, which is typically located on a banner at the bottom of your screen or at the top of the homepage. Clicking it will take you to the plan comparison page where you can review the basic, Shopify, and advanced options. Choose the one that fits your budget and feature needs right now, knowing you can always upgrade or change it later. After you select a plan, you will be prompted to enter your payment details. Fill in your credit card information accurately, along with a billing address that matches the card. It is important to be aware that you will not be charged until the end of any applicable free trial period. At this point, you also have the opportunity to review and adjust any add-ons or billing cycles, so double-check the summary before you click the final subscribe or start plan button. The next critical step to make your store visible to the world is removing the password protection. By default, your store has a password page that blocks customers. You need to navigate to Online Store, then Preferences from within your Shopify admin. Here, scroll down to the Password Protection section and uncheck the box that says Restrict Access to Visitors with the Password. This instantly lifts the barrier and launches your storefront. Your store is now technically active, but you should verify everything works. Do a final run-through on your desktop and mobile device. Check that your products display correctly, your shopping cart functions, and you can reach the checkout. Additionally, go to Settings, then Domains to confirm your primary domain is connected and redirecting properly. Only after you have completed these verifications are you truly ready to announce your launch and begin directing traffic to your fully activated Shopify store.